Question 6. Find the missing numbers below. 3 over 5 is equal to missing number over 15, which is equal to 48 over missing number, which is equal to missing number over 125. And here is the solution. This equivalent fraction works by ensuring that any two sets of fractions are equal to each other and to other fractions in the question. Hence, to solve this problem, you don't start with just any two fractions because you might end up having two unknowns or two missing numbers. Instead, it has to be the first fraction that has no missing number and any of the other three fractions having one missing number each. So, starting with the 3 over 5, which is equal to missing number over 15 fraction, let's call this missing number x. And that would be 3 over 5 is equal to x over 15. Cross multiplying to find x, we'll have x times 5 equals 5x, which is equal to 3 times 15. Now, in solving for x, we'll divide both sides by 5. 5 into 5 is 1, while 5 into 15 is 3. Therefore, the missing number x is 9. Now, once you are sure that the value of x is correct, you can use any of the first or second fractions to derive the next missing number, which we shall assume is y. However, it is easier and safer to use the first fraction to derive the next two missing numbers because the numbers of the first fraction are smaller in size in comparison to the second. Also, there is the possibility of error in deriving the value of the missing number x in the second fraction, which will definitely not affect the third fraction if we use the first fraction instead. Therefore, 3 over 5 equal to 48 over missing number becomes 3 over 5 equal to 48 over y. Cross multiplying again, we will have 3 times y equals to 3y equal to 5 times 48. Solving for y, we will divide both sides by 3. That is 3 into 3, while 3 into 48. Hence, the value of the missing number y is 80. Finally, 3 over 5 is equal to missing number over 125. The missing number here shall be assumed as z. That is, 3 over 5 is equal to z over 125. Therefore, cross-multiplying, just like we have done all the time, we will have 5 times z, which is equal to 3 times 125. Dividing both numbers by 5, we will have 5 into 5, which is 1, while 5 into 125 is 25. Hence, the value of the missing number z is 3 times 25, which is equal to 75. So, the final equivalent fraction is 3 over 5 equal to 9 over 15 equal to 48 over 80 equal to 75 over 125. Good! Now, if you want to try your hands on a few more questions of your own, which we will not solve for you, We'll just give you a few. 1. A volleyball is sold for 5/8 of the price of a football. What is the cost of the football when the volleyball sells for 1,350 naira? 2. In an office, 13/20 of the workers watch sports. Of these, 5/6 prefer football. What fraction of the workers prefers watching football? 3. 3 water tanks with volumes 81 liters, 243 liters, and 405 liters were filled with 27 liters, 81 liters, and 135 liters of water respectively. Express their water contents as fractions of their capacity. That will be all. Thank you.